just put my jacket on. But what we are doing today is, it's 2:30. We are off to the shops. Yeah, I need to get things for the washing machine, Calgon, because I haven't used that in quite a long time, and I'm like, you know what, my washing machine stays loyal to me. I need to take care of her, so I'm gonna get some Calgon to like take care of the washing machine. And then yeah, I'm hitting Primark again. Like, I keep going into Primark a lot. Like the other day I went to pick up leggings. Yesterday I picked up what did I pick up? Yeah, leggings again, but like for my son. Yeah, leggings for the boys, because I feel like leggings are just great for like kids that are under 5 as pajamas. Yesterday I got this really nice yellow jumper for the baby. Then today I thought, oh, like those plain black leggings they sell in Primark will go really well with the jumper that I got yesterday. So I was like, he needs a bunch of leggings. I've been looking for like really like leggings, like proper like tight leggings, not these ones that they're selling like in Matalan leggings. They're not even tight leggings. They like become really loose after like in the wash, and I don't like that. So it's like so convenient. Primark are selling these like plain like leggings in the boy, literally for boys, which is like really good. And I decided to treat myself to some new pajamas today, because my one are worn out. I've had them since we came out of that final lockdown. Yeah.
Enormous instantaneously.
Appointment very soon. I wanted to quickly show you guys the stuff that I got from Primark, Matalan, Asda, just like Christmas stuff, and just, you might be interested. I don't know. Yeah. Kids sale has started in Matalan last week, and it's not even Christmas yet. I got this quilted jacket with like hood effect. This was £9. I've been looking for a jacket for my son. Perfect. And on top of that, I ended up buying it with the money that I got refunded. I got refunded money for a damaged item that arrived. Primark didn't find the leggings that I was looking for the baby, so I ended up just getting the matching joggers. So this was the jumper that I got, and then I was gonna pair it up with leggings, but then there weren't any leggings. Like seriously, all these mums are seriously loving these boys leggings in Primark. They're £2.50. But yeah, I ended up just getting a matching set. So we have a matching set. I've got roses. I'm gonna get Quality Street today. I'm off to, obviously I think I just mentioned I'm off out. Got a nail polish set for my daughter. She really wants nails. Like, I'm okay with nails. We're not doing makeup right now. It's a Christmas gift. If I see like another shade, I might get her another shade. Yeah, one more shade. Maybe like, yeah, 3-pack. Let's find another shade today. Asda rewarded me for like being a really loyal customer. They gave me £5 the other day, like just out of randomness on the app. And like, not out of randomness, they literally said, because you're a good customer. So they gave me £5 and I spent like £4.30. Bought these Play-Doh, so that's gonna be Christmas Day stuff. My son asks for Smarties, so I'm gonna give him Christmas Day. Yeah, the kids don't really want gifts. They want gift cards to spend on like playing video games.
They
Boxing Day today, and yeah, a Merry Christmas, you guys. I hope everyone celebrated Christmas very well. We had a very peaceful Christmas, which we have a very peaceful Christmas every single year. I prefer it that way. Yeah, I prefer it that way. I like a very peaceful Christmas. Even my family members know that Priscilla doesn't like to spend Christmas with us, well, because you lot always like to cause problems. So I like a very peaceful Christmas. It's Christmas, it's supposed to be nice. I don't want to spend Christmas with people who are just, they don't make an effort to be nice. So Boxing Day, we went to, I had a spin in my head like, shops are not going to be open on Boxing Day. No, it was only Waitrose that's not going to be open, because I walked into Waitrose like the other day. Oh yeah, when we went to our little like, when we went to like visit, when we went to see like the Christmas lights. Yeah, I popped into Waitrose and they were like closed on Boxing Day. I was like, oh my goodness, shops are not going to be opened. No, it's just Waitrose. Popped in Sainsbury's the next day. They said that we're going to be open on Boxing Day, just we're going to open a bit later, close a bit early. And I think they do that every single year. So yeah, popped in Sainsbury's today. Then yeah, popped into Primark. Sale has started. Head down. This is the right time to head down. Payday is coming really soon, so I will be popping in there just to see what's on sale. I'm looking at maybe like getting some of the jackets. And so New Year's is coming really soon. I think for the New Year, I'm probably planning, I don't know what are we doing on New Year's Day? We'll be having pizza. Yeah, my oven broke like a few months ago. My oven broke and like the kids have been like, can we eat pizza? Like, can we have Domino's? Can we have Pizza Hut? So the kids are really craving pizza. And Dad was like, yeah, I can get them pizza. Kids want to eat pizza, possibly on New Year's. Yeah, possibly the day before New Year's Day. Yeah, we'll try and do that. Like New Year's Eve. Get pizza in. Yeah. And on New Year's Day, just regular dinner. Yeah, and maybe like a box of celebrations. Quality Street. Because you know after like the festive season, those like tubs, they get reduced. Look out for them, you guys. Look out for them. Yeah. Look out for them. Joseph, what are we doing? No. Baby fingers. Want to touch everything. I will see you guys in the new year. Because I'm taking a break. Just take things slow. And yeah, take things slow. Enjoy yourselves. And just have a peaceful time. Just have a peaceful, joyous time.